Oh, hi there.
Hello.
This is Anthony, and
This is Stein.
this is a video music message for our good friend Woody. We really like your video, and
You have nice hairs.
nice hairs.
Nice long hairs.
Yes, very long. And was thinking about maybe Thursday we meet up for drink. It'd be maybe good times, and maybe get a lager beer, Stein. What do you think about that?
Get a drink of very nice vodka.
Maybe even the schnapps. So maybe we see you at the zoo on Thursday night.
Yeah, das ist gut.
Thursday.
Ja.